ways that protein can help you lose weight without relying on excessive cardio. Many people mistakenly believe that the key to weight loss is simply cutting our calories, spending hours on the treadmill. However, this approach often leads to frustration and unsustainable results. The secret that I'm sharing really lies into optimizing our diet by focusing on getting the right amount of protein. The first one is an increase in your satiety. So protein actually works on our two key hormones, leptin and ghrelin. Those are our hunger and satiety cues. So if we are consuming a good portion, around 25 to 30 grams of protein at each meal, it is going to help you feel fuller longer, have less cravings, and be more satisfied. This can lead to a reduced calorie intake and effortless weight loss. The second key way is calorie burning. So your body actually burns more calories digesting and metabolizing protein compared to carbs or fat. This is called the thermic effect of food, and it can contribute to a slight metabolic boost. You actually burn 20% of the calories to break down that protein versus with carbohydrates and fat. That is why I always say we want to focus on a carb, fat, and protein each meal to stabilize our blood sugar levels and have this powerful effect. Stay tuned to the end because I got some recipes for you. The third key way is muscle preservation. Consuming adequate protein while in a caloric deficit can help maintain your lean muscle mass, preventing that decaying, like skinny fat look that often comes when you lose weight too fast. And for my women over 40 going through perimenopause, you are losing muscle at a rate of 40 to 50% faster. So if we're not getting adequate protein, you're gonna feel like you are losing more muscle, you're gonna feel like you're getting a slower metabolism, and you're not gonna be seeing that body transformation, that muscle definition, that tone fit appearance that you're looking for. The fourth key way is it boosts our metabolism. Protein intake has shown to increase your resting metabolic rate, meaning your body burns more calories even at rest. And if we are coupling this with strength training, more muscle, better recovery, faster metabolic rate, body transformation. That is what we're going for. And the fifth big one is gonna be prevention of weight regain. There's actually studies that show a higher protein diet can help prevent weight regain after successfully losing weight loss, making it easier to sustain your physique year-round because you have, that satiety, that feeling of fullness. You have that muscle preservation. You're recovering from your workouts. And all of this affects our hormones, our leptin, our ghrelin, making weight loss easier. So how much protein do you need? This is really dependent on the individual. I actually did a whole video on this that I'm gonna link above, taking you guys through how to calculate your protein based off of your age, activity level, and then I'm even gonna put a whole video here on my top protein sources to incorporate in your diet, both plant-based and non-plant-based. But a few different protein sources that I like to incorporate into my diet are things like lean meats. You could do salmon for omega-3s, eggs, legumes, nuts, seeds, and even shellfish and bone broth. Remember, sustainable weight loss is about finding a balanced approach that works for you in the long run. It's not about doing these myths and you have to cut all your carbs out and you have to go extreme with the cardio. We have to look at our body, we have to train smarter versus harder. Because I see so many individuals struggle with knowing what to do to get their results, and there are over 30,000 different diets out there alone, I created my 90-day transformation challenge where I help my clients lose weight, build muscle, eating more food, and I teach them everything that they need to know to get sustainable results long term. It's not about cutting all your calories down. It's not about doing these crazy low carb, no carb diets. I've been in your shoes. I was overweight, I was underweight, I went to nutritionists, they didn't want to help me, I was overwhelmed with what to eat, and I make it simple for my clients because I understand how overwhelming it could be, and I want you to get those long-term results that I got for myself as well. If you're in that place where you are tired of training so hard and not seeing those results, and you want lasting results, I want you to head to the description below, fill out my questionnaire. I will be in touch with you to set up a call to see if we're that right fit for my upcoming 90-day transformation challenge, where I help women, especially women over 40, transform their body, get their health back, and feel in the best place place mentally, physically, emotionally, health-wise in their life. If you stay tuned to the end, I got a freebie for you. So as I mentioned, the nutrition part was so hard for me. So I created a free meal prep guide for all my busy individuals out there with my favorite recipes. I'm gonna link it in the description below. And I am doing a giveaway right now. So the most highly engaged individual in the comments each month is gonna win my Healthy Food Swaps ebook. So I want you to drop a comment below. Let me know what your favorite protein source, and if you have a recipe that you love, drop it in the comments as well. I will see you tomorrow. Much love.